Welcome to Spurtcommerce Guide. Let's see the workflow of managing product attributes in Spurtcommerce. How does that work? In this video, I'll walk you through the workflow of creating and managing attributes for the if the seller has to create add attributes to their product, then how admin will create the masters. Let's look at it. So here, if you see the flow, if you see the screen, so I'm creating attributes now for if a seller is selling shoes, then what attributes he will have to give. So I gave the attribute name and I also selected the format. How do we show that attribute? Like if this shoe is available in different colors, then I chose the format for display as drop down and I created an attribute. Now I'm creating the next attribute in the same way. So now for the same shoes, for specifications for the shoes, now the seller wants to also give an attribute called made in which country. So so he's creating like now I create a attribute called shoe made in, and I give it as a for the format for display, I'm giving it as short text. Now next I'm giving the next shoe attribute as shoe material. So now for this shoe material also I create a attribute, like I select an attribute format. How do I want to display the shoe material on the product detail page? So I select paragraph or short text, yes. So I created these attributes now. The next thing after creating attributes will be to group all these attributes that I created into a attribute group. So I create a group now, shoe specifications, and I add all the attributes that I created: shoe materials, shoe made in, and shoe color into that family shoe specification attribute. Now next, after having created the group and adding mapping attributes into that group, next step is to add this attribute into a family. So I add them to a family. I select the family here, to which family I want to map this shoe attributes. Now that we have mapped it to the family, the next step will be to add attributes to a product. So I select this product and I add attributes. So I click on assign attributes and I mentioned the material, the available colors, everything, and I saved it. Now the attributes have been mapped. Now let's look how these attributes can be seen on the storefront. So this is how the attributes that were added to this product detail page have been displayed on the storefront. Thanks for watching this video.